guys, so the Mustang behind me. So the time we actually got the car was early December, and we've made, what, one video with the car? So yeah, we made one video with the car, and if you haven't watched the last upload, check it out. We have acquired a single cab 6.7 Powerstroke, something that I've always been, you know, kind of looking for. So anyways, here's the Mustang. The car's set up very well. It's super clean, has 20-some thousand miles. It's a manual car, so it has a good clutch. It has the Magnuson Odin, VMP Odin with the whole deal, ID 1050 injectors, boost the pump, full headers, stainless power, full X pipe. I mean, it's set up very nice. To the wheels, I think it's 740. I got the dyno sheet in the car, and it's an absolute blast to drive. I mean, any fast manual, I don't care who you are, that's gonna make you smile. But real quick, while I have you, I wanna give a massive shout out to our new channel sponsor, AutoEstates. Now, we buy and sell a lot of vehicles, and this is possible by us being hooked up with an awesome dealer. So first link in the description, check out the Instagram. We're going to be working a lot with those guys on, you know, just kind of like everything across the board with vehicles in general. So the car's been in my home garage, and it's just kind of been sitting there. And now that we have the single cab, I guess we're going to free up some stuff, and the Mustang's going to go. Coop.
Don't make it look like you're getting rid of it. Make it look like you're getting ready to get something else.
Well, the single cab, or are we going to get something else? We don't have any plans as of right now, but now's the right time to let this go. I'm honestly very sad, dude. We didn't do anything with the car. It literally has just been sitting.
Every 16-year-old's dream.
Every 16-year-old's dream right here, dude. JB said it. He got it. All right, so we're going to hit the road to AutoEstates, and we will pick back up the camera there. Pick back up the camera. There you go. Nice ride, Sam. All right, boys, made it to AutoEstates. So anyways, check this out. I got a whole entire book of receipts for this car. This car was just put together at the end of last summer by a local Mustang shop, Road Havers. I'm not gonna lie, I don't even know how to say the name of that shop. Road Havers, I know them, they've been around for a long time. But anyways, where's max power at? This is the dyno sheet here. I can't even make sense of what's going on here. Okay, so right there, 736 max power, and max torque is 550. So 736 on the horsepower and 550 on the torque. So JB's out there buying a Beamer, big Beamer guy. So yeah, there's a lot of stuff with this car, and it's so clean. Very, very sad to be doing this, but this frees up a spot for another vehicle that we can physically get into and build.
Too.
What do you say?
This little thing's a manual.
Manual? Big manual guy. This car is an absolute ripper. Fastest vehicle in the fleet, and we're selling her. What are we thinking?
Goner.
All right, boys. Pictures being taken right now. It's gonna be for sale. I guess she's going. If it doesn't sell, though, we're keeping it. That's Rick, that's the guy. We're gonna work him in on getting on camera because he's a little camera shy. JB's over there supervising. All right, I hid it from you guys long enough. We're trading her in on the STI. Nope, take that back. The limo, dude. Secretly, me and JB. It's our ride right there, dude. Company ride, company rig. JB, big Mercedes guy. Parking the Mustang front spot, dude, front and center. AutoEstates. Check it out, first link description. All right, guys, back in the TRX. We are headed to the house. Mustang is on the lot, AutoEstates. Check it out, first link description. Big shout out, big sponsor of the channel. That is how we are able to get and deal with all the vehicles that we do. But all right, that's it. We're out. We'll see you on the next one. Peace. You know how to use that?
What?
This big screen.
No, it's dumb as a box of rocks.
You got the air conditioner on. It's freezing outside.
Turn it on. Turn it off.
Turn the heat on.
Look, there's button over here. There's button over here. Fucking touch screen over here.